Good morning, guys. Welcome back. My name is Kamal Khalaf. It's currently 8:50 in the morning, West Coast. Looking to take a couple calls on SPX while I'm watching the SPY charts. You can see the stock broke the VWAP. Now I'm looking for the VWAP to hold, and the next 5-minute candle that makes a new high, that's my entry. You can see it's breaking this pivot already. The high is 452.79. Once it breaks that, we're going to the high day. For the break with the 453, the whole dollar. Alright, so far we're looking so good. The 9 about to cross the 20 to the upside. The VWAP is holding as support. I'm just looking for the next 5-minute candle to open up and make a new high. And that's my entry. Gonna take a couple calls right there. We have 1 more minute and we have a new 5-minute. I just filled, took a call, small size, looking to add more if the move worked in my favor. Otherwise, my stop loss is the VWAP, 70 cents, that's my stop loss. I'm thinking of selling right now. I'm scared of that big seller. It's a huge seller and we don't have enough volume today. I'm out. Alright guys, I sold everything. I see that seller again. He's back. I sold everything. And the 5 minutes too extended of the 20 moving average. So there's a pullback. I'm gonna wait for a second entry. That's a big seller on the ask. Let's see what's gonna happen. Well, it moved up. But he did not get eaten. He just removed his order of the market. He can put it back anytime he wants to. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna wait for another opportunity. Wait for the pullback and find an entry.